Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Brothers and sisters, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I've been asked to talk a little bit about Eid prayer, given the current coronavirus pandemic and given the current restrictions that we have in place where people are not allowed to gather more than 10 people in a gathering. Therefore, the mosques won't be able to conduct their Eid prayer as per normal. And for this reason, our scholars have come together and agreed on the following: that you are permitted to pray in your home the Eid prayer, either by yourself or with your family in congregation, except that you don't give the khutbah or the sermon at home. And the way you do your Eid prayer at home is as follows. It's just 2 rak'ahs. In the first rak'ah, you begin by saying Allahu Akbar. After you say that, you repeat the words Allahu Akbar 7 times. While repeating the words Allahu Akbar 7 times, you can lift your hands up normally and place them back each time you say Allahu Akbar, or you can just keep your hands there on your body and say Allahu Akbar 7 times. After that, you recite Al-Fatiha, followed by a short surah, and then you go into ruku', sujood, and then you stand up for the second rak'ah. In the second rak'ah, you repeat Allahu Akbar 5 times this time. And you can again lift your hands up each time you say Allahu Akbar, or you can just keep them there and say Allahu Akbar 5 times. After that, you recite Al-Fatiha, followed by a short surah, then ruku', sujood, at-tahiyyat, and your taslim. That's it. That's your Eid prayer done at home. So you can get someone to lead the prayer in your home, and if there is a group of women only, then one woman can also lead the prayer in congregation in accordance with the way the mother of the believers, Aisha radiallahu anha, did when she led women in prayer. My brothers and sisters, this is the Eid prayer. As for when you pray the Eid prayer, the timing of the Eid prayer, well, it is a consensus among all the classical scholars that Eid prayer begins from sunrise, after sunrise, when the sun has reached what would equal the length of an arrow above the horizon. This is approximately 15 to 20 minutes after sunrise. And it continues all the way up till the sun has reached the middle of the sky. This is called Zawal al-Shams, when you don't have any shadow. In technical, normal, modern terms, it is about 15 minutes after sunrise till about 10 to 15 minutes before Dhuhr. And if you want to look at just your time, then it is 7:45 a.m. till about 12 p.m. This is the time that you can pray your Eid prayer, from 7:45 a.m. until 12 p.m. in the day. And it is better to delay your Eid prayer a little bit for Eid al-Fitr, so that people can pay their Zakat al-Fitr. This is what I have to say. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.